How to fix Snapchat C14A service unavailable. So if you're facing a problem with the Snapchat and if it says C14A service unavailable, learn more this kind of interface, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to do is you need to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will face many problems. So simply go and check your internet connection. If you have a stable internet connection, then you can go with your Snapchat and then you can log into your account. And even after checking the internet connection, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next step you need to do is you need to restart your device. So simply press on hold on to that power button, and here you will get a restart option. Simply tap on restart, and after restarting, go back to the login and try to log into your account, and your problem may be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you can clear your cache on your Snapchat application if you've logged into your application. But if you've not logged in, then you can clear the cache outside of the application. So simply tap and hold on to that application. Go for the app info. Under app info, you need to scroll down and you need to go for storage and cache. Under storage and cache, you need to go for clear cache and remove the cache. Once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, go for the search. Under search, you need to search for Snapchat. Once you search, if you have any updates under your Snapchat, so simply go for update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last way is you just need to wait for 24 hours, because sometimes the service might be down. So you might face some service unavailable problems or service down problem. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to simply wait for 24 hours, and after waiting for 24 hours, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. These are the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.